Good morning, class 3. Here's your English literature class, and we are doing chapter 4, A Wonderful Gift. Okay, so today we are going to do the exercises of this chapter. So open your books to page number 29. Okay, so here's the first exercise given, that is exercise A. Complete these sentences with suitable adjectives from the box. So first of all, let me tell you that what are adjectives. We have learned that describing words are called adjectives. Adjectives कौन से होते हैं? Adjectives are the describing words, the words that describes the noun. And what is noun? Noun are naming words. It may be a name of a person, place, animal, thing, or any idea. Okay, and the words that describes the noun are known as adjectives. Okay, they talk about the size, shape, color and quality of a noun or a pronoun. ये किसके बारे में बात करते हैं? About the size, shape, color and quality of a noun or a pronoun. For example, tiny hands. Hands are, hands क्या है? Naming word है, noun है. And how is the hands? Tiny. Hands कैसे हैं? Tiny. Tiny means small. So tiny is an adjective. Round eyes. Eyes क्या है? Naming word. And how's the eyes? They are round. So round is an adjective. Black charcoal. Charcoal यहाँ noun है. Charcoal कैसा है? Black. So black is an adjective. Lovely picture. And how's the picture? Lovely. Lovely क्या है यहाँ पे? Adjective. Okay. So the word that are describing the nouns like tiny, round, black and lovely, they are adjectives. And sometimes we use an adjective before a noun and sometimes after the verb in a sentence. कभी कभी हम adjectives को noun के पहले यूज़ करते हैं और कभी कभी verb के बाद यूज़ करते हैं. Okay. For example, Varun is carrying a heavy suitcase. So here suitcase is a noun. कैसा है suitcase? Heavy. So heavy is a describing word that is describing the suitcase. So heavy is an adjective. वरुण सूटकेस इज हैवी. वरुण का सूटकेस कैसा है? हैवी. तो यहाँ पे वर्ब क्या है? इज. इसके बाद हम नाउन का यूज, एडजेक्टिव का यूज कर रहे हैं. सो हैवी इज एडजेक्टिव इन दिस सेंटेंस. समटाइम्स वी यूज पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव सच एज माई, हिज, हर, आर, योर, देयर. कुछ जो होते हैं पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स होते हैं. पॉजेसिव मीन्स विच शो द बिलोंगिंगनेस, जो किसी चीज़ को, कोई चीज़ किस से बिलोंग कर रही है वो बताती है. ठीक है. तो पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स कौन से होते हैं? माई, हिज, हर, आर, योर, देयर एंड सो ऑन. बिफोर अ नाउन टू शो दैट समथिंग बिलोंग्स टू समवन. ऐसे एडजेक्टिव्स को यानी पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स को हम नाउन से पहले यूज़ करते हैं ये शो करने के लिए कि कौन सी चीज़ किस से बिलोंग कर रही है. ओके. सपोज माई शूज़. शूज़ किसके हैं? मेरे शूज़ हैं. So my is a adjective here, possessive adjective. My shoes. Next is your shoes. Shoes तुम्हारे हैं. तो ये क्या शो कर रहा है कि shoes तुम्हारे हैं. So we are using your here. Okay. Next is their shoes. Shoes उनके हैं. तो यहाँ पे ये शो कर रहा है कि shoes किसके हैं? वो उनके हैं. So we are using their. Okay. Now come to the exercise. Complete these sentences with suitable adjectives from the box. Here is a box given. And here are some adjectives given. We have to use it to complete these sentences. Number 1, there is a dash ant crawling up your arm. There is the dash ant. How's the ant? It is tiny. T-I-N-Y, tiny. There is a tiny ant crawling up your arm. Number 2, it is going to rain. There are dash clouds in the sky. It is going to rain. There are grey, G-R-E-Y, grey clouds in the sky. Number 3, there are 2 dash windows in the dining room. कैसी हैं windows? Square. There are 2 square windows, S-Q-U-A-R-E. There are 2 square windows in the dining room. Number 4, don't pluck those flowers. They look so dash on the plant. Don't pluck those flowers. They look so pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty on the plant. Next is number 5. The little girl is looking everywhere for dash mother. The little girl is looking everywhere for her mother. H-E-R, her mother. Okay. Now next is the lion is dash after its big meal. The lion is sleepy. S-L-E-E-P-Y, sleepy. The lion is sleepy after its big meal. Number 7, the weather is sunny and dash. How's the weather? It is sunny and bright. B-R-I-G-H-T. It is perfect for a picnic. The weather is sunny and bright. It is perfect for a picnic. Number 8, have they moved into dash new flat? Have they moved into, we use there with they. जहाँ they होता है हम वहाँ पे there यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, हैव दे मूव्ड इनटू देयर न्यू फ्लैट. THEIR, देयर. So answer 1 is tiny, number 2 grey, number 3 square, number 4 is pretty, number 5 is her, number 6 is sleepy, number 7 is bright, and number 8 is there. Okay, now come to the next exercise. Turn the page. On the next page, that is page number 30, here is the next exercise. Exercise B is given. Choose the correct word to complete these sentences. And this exercise is related to degrees of comparison. So, first of all, let me tell you what are degrees of comparison. When we wish to compare things with the help of adjectives, जब हम adjectives की help से किसी चीज़ों को compare करते हैं, these are known as degrees of comparison. Okay, तो उसको हम degrees of comparison बोलते हैं. When we compare two persons, animals, places or things, we use a comparative adjective plus then. जब हम दो चीज़ों के बीच में comparison करते हैं तो वहाँ पे हम comparative adjective यूज़ करते हैं. वहाँ पे हम जो हमारा noun दिया है उसके अंदर er ऐड करते हैं और then ऐड करते हैं. For example, Susan runs faster than Rima. Here we are comparing between Susan and Rima. So we are using the er form of the adjective, that is faster than, and we are using then with the comparative adjective. Okay. When we compare three or more, we use a superlative adjective. और जब हम तीन या तीन से ज़्यादा के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, उनका comparison कर रहे हैं, तब हम superlative adjective use करते हैं, which is the est form of adjective. For example, the giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. Here we add est to the noun. Okay. So here are some examples given. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Large, larger, largest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Happy, happier, happiest. Now here is the B exercise given. Choose the correct word to complete these sentences. Number 1, take the other road. It is dash this. Where we are comparing between two roads. So the answer is B part, shorter than. SHORTR, shorter, THN, then. Take the other road, it is shorter than this. Number 2, those yellow sheets are dash of all. Here we are talking about all the sheets. So यहाँ बहुत सारी sheets के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So here we use EST form. Those yellow sheets are the cleanest. THE, the, CLEANEST, cleanest. The cleanest of all. Number 3, Jatin is dash hitter who scores well in all the matches. Here we are talking about all the matches, so we are using EST form. So the correct answer is biggest. Jatin is a biggest hitter who scores well in all the matches. Number 4, the price of computers is dash before. We are comparing between the two prices, the prices at the moment and before prices. So we are using ER form of the adjective, that is comparative adjective. So lower than is the correct answer. The price of computers is lower than, LOWER, lower, THN, than, before. Number 5, the tiger lily is dash flower. Here we are not comparing between any of the cases, not comparing between two things or not comparing between more than 3 or more people. Okay, so here we use a simple form. The tiger lily is a lovely flower. So answer is a lovely, a Lovely, lovely. The tiger lily is a lovely flower. Answer 1 is shorter than. Number 2, the cleanest. Number 3, a biggest. Number 4, lower than. And number 5 is a lovely. Okay, so these are the 2 exercises which you all have to do in your books. Okay class, in a very neat and clean handwriting. Okay, thank you.